Nongñiah trok ke bala sahkut da bon ski mentah na kadau ka jingtua jong ke surak hajan ka tollgate halum shnong East Jingeh Hill District. Kilayo akalat ban ya kenduk markmat bat umentri rangba ha kisingi ublay ha kapor ba uwan ban jurip ya ka jinglong jeman jong ke tei ke surang. Kitay Nongñiah kali kilayo ya kalat ban pesngau ya ki jingeh jongki nadu khat riu tarik tat hadu mentah ke singi kidang sahkut ha ka ju ka jaka. Shushu kila pesngau wat ki jingbam jongki ru kila janlun bat kani kala bu jingeh ban pendam lada dang slem ban penlaj ya ke tei ke surang. Hadin bagi kita Nongñiah trok kilayo ban pesngau ya ke jingeh jongki na kaliang jong umentri rangba ukon rat ke sangma ulakular ban yele kat bala ban pa pelaj no ya ke tei ke surok apo nyau po ar kenta lada sange no ke jinghap uslam. Haga ju kapor ula kentu ya Nongñiah trok bakin long ki biasa shipor tangkat tu kat ni kenta on salak ban pelaj no ya ka surok kanang bakiti ki kali basakut kenyo ban ya no syaki jaka bagi dei ban poi ula ong ru bakam de ka kam ka besuk ban le mardor namar ka kam ka long ka ba e abha kumba ka long ka surok national highway henriu ka de ka surok ka bapanye so bat ki bun tili ki jela ka than chatei lammingi ka baya lynti lengba jong ka ni ka surok.
Right now at Lumshnong, about 1 kilometer from Lumshnong, where the landslide has taken place, and all the officials, including our Honorable Home Minister and other officials, are here from the administration, from PWD, as well as from National Highway Authority of India. And of course, all efforts are being made to restore the entire road and get the accessibility through. But as you can see that there's a huge challenge. The rain is not stopping, but has come down, but it's still raining quite heavily. And so therefore we are hopeful that as the rain recedes and as the efforts are made to divert the flow of the water from the areas which are affecting the road connectivity, we should be able to restore some parts of the road in the next 24 hours and see some kind of movement for light motor vehicles also through this road itself. And we are hopeful that if the rains reduce and we are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions. But in the meantime, we have also made an alternative route from the side going through some private land, which is allowing the small and lighter vehicle movements to take place. And so that is one thing that has already happened. The team has been working overtime, and all the efforts are being made from all agencies to ensure that not just the road is cleared, but also to ensure that any kind of support or relief material to be given to the people who are stuck along the highway is also being provided by the administration. I would like to thank the administration, the departments, and also the companies and the NGOs and other organizations that have been supporting and coming together in a difficult time like this to really help the people. And I'm sure that with all the efforts put together, that we will be very shortly be able to bring back things to normalcy. So that is the condition right now, and we're hopeful that in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see movement of more vehicles to this road. Thank you.